C'est la top shit.
And oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. I was like, should I tell them this? But everybody just out here eating ice cream. This is like the perfect blend though. I got the pieces of coconut, pieces of chocolate chip, and it's like got like a little cookie.
Family outing.
All right, y'all, today is a busy day. It is Monday, so you know everything that I put on hold the weekend when I was turning up, I gotta do now. So I just showered and everything, so now I need to do some laundry, package orders, and then get the baby ready so we can go, so I can ship the orders, and then maybe we'll go to the library after that and get some books. So here's my little shipping setup in my room, at my little office, because I had some orders that I already packaged, and then I had got some because my website's back up and running after I had to fix some coding, and I got a few more orders. But the good thing is I ordered some Amazon bubble mailers because I wanted something for my smaller products, because you guys know these bigger boxes, there's no point in getting a bigger box for something like this, something small like a body butter, body oil. So I got these. I'm so glad they actually have a lot of space and they're super protected, so I'm gonna start using these for my smaller items. They're really cost efficient. And then I'm going to put this on here. So yeah, you guys can package the orders with me. Okay, so the crazy part is I only need about 2 of these for right now. Oh. And the rest can go downstairs in my shipping center. So a little bit around that. I really have all my inventory and all my shipping supplies, everything downstairs in the basement, so it doesn't take up a whole bunch of space. But since it's Monday and everything, and I want to make sure that I have everything all organized and stuff, and my planner and all that, I came up to my office just to make sure that I had everything. So I'm gonna package this, and I definitely need sticky notes so I can remember who it is, what the address is. This stuff was just stuff that I just took out of my purse randomly when I was switching it up. So at first I was gonna send them like this in a USPS mailer if they didn't get here on time, but they did, so. I am excited about that. It literally is the perfect fit. I was gonna get a smaller one, then I was like, no, because this car I want to pack a whole bunch of stuff in there. And this is like perfect. So all you have to do is just take this off. Seal it up. Then they're probably gonna put the shipping thing here. Oh no, should I put it here? Damn. I forgot about this. So I'm gonna put this in here. And everything that's going back downstairs is gonna go in this little box. Now these are a good size. These are, I think, the 6 by 10, but I will double check. I actually put the link to the poly mailers and the boxes in my description. And then if you like how I did my thank you cards, you can always hit me up. I don't mind helping people with their business cards and thank you cards. Now let me see if I actually want to put this in here. Because this is what I put in there. Is this necessary? Oh yeah. I guess I can put that in there. Just to fill out the package a little bit more. This one I packaged over the weekend. And then this one I'm gonna double check because this is a solo wrap. And I wrote her a card. The stickers inside the box. And then I got this tape with our name on it from Sticker Meal. And you pretty much have to wet the back and then put it on here. The sticker. And since I have time, I'm actually going to put the name and the address on the package so I don't have to look it up on my phone when I get there. And I actually am gonna do that on my laptop because I want to confirm the orders too, and I still want to record, so. I like it better with the what's it called in there instead of that because it's a lot more like big. So while I'm waiting for my computer to load, I'm going to take my laundry to the basement and my shipping supplies and put everything where it needs to be. Yeah, this is kind of a random setup, but I have everything I need: boxes, bubble mailers, bags, tape. I even have a shipping scale and shipping labels for when I want to start to ship from home, some bubble wrap, and now I'm going to add a new edition of the bubble mailers. Alright, so I brought the baby up and my cereal back up with me, and I'm going to place in Gracie's corner and get these labels like written out on sticky notes so that it can be easier when we go to the post office. Y'all, so I tweaked. I packed the order without even looking because she told me that she was gonna order one thing and she ordered a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm just like, dang, I already packaged it, but it's okay. I'm just gonna grab the stuff that I need. She ordered 2 soaps and a body butter. Well, she ordered 2 soaps and 2 body butters. So I just had to run downstairs to grab this soap, and then my inventory list so that I can update it on my website when I get back upstairs. I can't wait till this is all in one room because running up and down the stairs with a bird. And it's time for her to eat, so I'm warming up her bottle. Oh my goodness. And trying to do it all, baby. So yeah, so the setup looks like. So I'm gonna try to ship all this stuff out by today.
Top shit.
So I'm finally finished. I done gave the baby a bath. I was gonna bring her with me, but she decided to fall asleep. So I left her at the house with her mom and dad. Her mom is working from home today and her dad is off today. So I left her there while she was asleep. And then I switched out the laundry. So now I'm gonna go to the post office and drop off these packages. It feels amazing out. I just wanted to get it out the way because I just don't want nothing to come up and I don't make it out. So out here now. And oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. I was like, should I tell them this? Okay, so today I was restocking everything, and I realized that some of my inventory was still in Carbondale. So I had to hurry up and ask my boyfriend to send me some of the body butters that I still have out there. And I just wrote my customer a note like, oh my gosh, I know I said everything was restocked, but I'm still transitioning everything from the first location to this new location. As you guys know, I came up here to babysit my little sister, but also to get better opportunities. So we're in kind of like a weird spot right now because I just got a job and we're trying to figure out what daycare is affordable and how she's gonna get there because I don't have a car. So it's just a lot of money and scheduling. So hopefully everything works out. But until then, I'm just enjoying myself. I'm enjoying the day and I'm trying to get some things done. So yeah, I'll reach out to you guys when I make it to the post office. All right, now that she's drinking her bottle and eating, I'm gonna update tracking numbers and then we're gonna go for our walk. Okay, y'all, so we are on our walk. She was asleep when I went on my walk to the post office and to check out a daycare center. So now we're just gonna go for a walk to get some food because I like just making sure that she gets out and see it outside. We're not gonna make it to the library today because it's pretty late and I've already done a lot of walking. So this is the river walk. We decided to go out after my mom got off from working from home, and we just decided to go for a family walk downtown by the river and get some snacks. And there's a lot of shopping centers and stuff, so that was really fun. All of us really like being outside, especially when the weather is nice. That's one of the reasons why we moved to the Chicagoland area. Bailey really enjoyed herself. She actually stayed up the whole time looking at the people and the animals and the water. And then at the end we went and got some ice cream from a really famous ice cream shop. And that was like the highlight of the day. This was particularly fun for me because I had just got done working all day, just basically hustling, and then I was able to relax and enjoy myself at the end. So that's what it's all about. Enjoying yourself, and then, you know, being with family makes it a lot better. I'm just trying to show you guys basically everything we were coming across. We were coming across a whole beach down there. We were coming across people kayaking and paddle boating. We were coming across restaurants, picnics, people walking down major hills and walking their dogs. It was just really cute and such a vibe. Rooftop bars and restaurants. And it's crazy how all of that is in one area. They got a rooftop bar, but we're on the hot Thor ice cream. This is the Benefit store. If I ever had a boutique or anything, it would look just like this. It's so cute. They're hiring cosmetologists. But I'm just really going down this little downtown area. Like, I just got all this money to spend. Why do I always be doing this? Just really be everybody's eating these really big ice cream cones. And we asked them where they got it from. And they said Kiewit. So I think this is where we're gonna go. See why everybody has an ice cream from there. Gracias. Pretty. Hill wins. Funnel cake? Wait. Say, who do we need to buy a gift for? My birthday's coming up. But hers comes up first.
Yeah. Oh,
What is that? Is it ice cream?
it's peanut butter.
This is toffee bar.
With the apples.
Oh my goodness. What is that supposed to be? A waffle? They're making waffles.
Yeah, ice cream with waffle cone.
Oh, I'm looking like, what is?
I don't know what a cone is. But it's a hard waffle.
Oh, and then that. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. Oh my god. Pecan turnaround. I think I'm gonna get that one. That looks really delicious. See, I don't like no sea salt, nothing. I think this was Sandrika had the chocolate covered Oreo thingy.
Those are like case. You know what comes. Yeah, we can do a little bit. It doesn't have to go like
Okay.
Oh, make sure. Oh, see, Blue Moon. Dylan's kid's favorite. That Blue Moon looks good. They got different type of cones. I think I want that strawberry one. I really like that.
The turtle ones.
Toasted coconut. Huh?
Yeah.
Look how big this cone is. Tastes like an almond joy. Love to taste it. Summer favorite. Try something new.
Yeah. Wow. You got that chef back there?
Everybody just out here eating ice cream.
That was delicious.
This is like the perfect blend though. I got the pieces of coconut, pieces of chocolate chip, and it's like got like a little cookie.
Family outing.
I'm staying in the house for the rest of the summer. This was the other ice cream place we were thinking about going to. Where to now?
Back over by the eat ice cream.
They have floats, shakes.
No, it's right.
From where?
They closed this bar right there, but they closed.
Why would they close a bar at 6 and 7?
Or maybe they don't open up till later.
Oh. There's only one scoop. This is a big old scoop.
That's why they give you the can of root beer when it get done.
You can eat your ice cream.
Or you just pour more in there.
You like your float?
Yeah, so she's good. Yeah, we can go to by the river.
You like the ice cream? Alright y'all, good night. I usually steal her from her parents at night, give her a little bottle and change her into her pajamas. Good night. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune into the next one.